This is $30,000 more than a base Wrangler, which is more capable.
Yeah.
You could buy a Wrangler and a Miata.
Yeah.
The Miata will be more fun to drive, and the Wrangler will be better off-road. Recon, slightly toned down Wrangler, and all electric. The only electric vehicle where you can remove the doors. I mean, technically, you can remove the doors from anything if you're determined enough, but I think designed for the doors to
Just
be
like
easy.
any car can go off of a jump.
So this is actually a toolless integration. So you open the door and you have access to the hinges and you can pull them off without any tools. They're also adding that functionality to the Wranglers for next year as well.
Cool. So no more T45s.
Torx bolts, you can just pull the doors off, no tools required. It also has this big canvas top that can roll all the way back.
The glass, the third window, that's weird.
You could take the glass off. The third one, you actually take the glass off the rear hatch window as well.
And then they still have leather seats.
Yeah.
Doesn't look bad.
I don't mind it, yeah.
It gives K-car vibes.
It's nice to see something new from Jeep beside. I mean, it is all electric, but this does seem like a more true Jeep.
Especially with the exposed hinges on the outside.
Yeah, that's cool. Cool touch.
That's cool.
And it's got a big tire on the back. I can't imagine the shape is terribly aerodynamic.
No.
With a big tire on the back. Dude.
No.
And that ride height, these are 33-inch wheels on there, or tires.
I would love this if it had a tiny little engine.
That's what everyone's saying. Why not just put a regular little engine in there? The problem is this thing has been stuck in development hell for a long time. When this was they decided to make this, it was a very different automotive landscape years ago.
Making cars is fortune-telling. 3 parts engineering, 1 part fortune-telling.
It uses the same Stella Large platform that underpins the Wagoneer S and the Charger. It's exclusively, there's no other engine options, and there's no rumor of any other engine options. It's just exclusively an EV. It's got 33-inch tires in the Moab version, which drops the range to 230 miles, which is not phenomenal. It is more off-road capable than a Wagoneer S, which shares a similar platform. This is the only trail-rated EV by Jeep. So not as capable as a Wrangler, but more capable than something like a Wagoneer S. It's got select terrain modes, just like the Wrangler does. You can choose from different terrain settings. It's got 9.5 inches of ground clearance, which is okay.
Sounds like a lot.
It has 650 horsepower.
650 horsepower?
650 horsepower, 620 pound-feet of torque from dual motor.
How much does it cost? This looks like a Renegade replacement.
It's surprisingly bigger than it looks. It is not tiny.
It looks tiny.
It's not. Guess how much the starting price is for this?
85.
It starts at 65.
You're not going to see any of these. You won't see a single one of these on the road.
This is $30,000 more than a base Wrangler, which is more capable.
Yeah.
$30,000.
It probably costs the same as that Magma GV60.
You could buy a Wrangler and a Miata.
Yeah.
The Miata will be more fun to drive, and the Wrangler will be better off-road.
This also has more horsepower than those two put together.
I'm not a Jeep buyer, but if I were a Jeep buyer, is that
Do you care
what I
that it
care
has
about?
650 horsepower?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Maybe if I were buying a Charger, maybe I would care, but
Yeah.
I care about the
Very
capability.
weird cross-section of decisions here.
Yeah.
First of all, super weird that it's electric.
Yeah.
Put the 4-cylinder in that we were talking about. Get 350 horsepower out of it.
Oh, the
replacement.
Hurricane 4.
Yeah. You put in the Hurricane 4.
300 horsepower is a healthy number.
Then that one does like 330 or 340.
Yeah, it's like 320, I think, something like that.
So whatever it is, it's more than enough to lug this thing around.
This doesn't need 650 horsepower. Not as the starting price.
No.
Like, what?
But do you know why that is? It needs all-wheel drive. And they only have one set of motors. That's why it's the same horsepower as the Charger. And the same horsepower as the Wagoneer. They only have one set of motors, and they need all-wheel drive.
They've really boxed themselves into a corner with this. There's things about this I really like. But everyone has the same feedback. Why is it electric?
Yeah.
Now, the answer is
because
they thought that's what we were going to want 4 or 5 years ago when this started development.